wonder how to fuel your business growth without draining your reserves? You're not alone. Operating a successful business often demands a constant balancing act between growth and cash flow. Enter a business line of credit, a financial tool designed to augment your business's financial health while nurturing its growth. This isn't just a lifeline for emergencies, but a strategic tool for business expansion, inventory management, and cash flow smoothing. Picture this. Your business is on the brink of a major expansion. The opportunity is ripe, but the funds aren't quite there. Rather than dipping into your reserves or waiting for your invoices to clear, a business line of credit provides the financial cushion to seize that opportunity. Or perhaps your business is seasonal. There are times when the demand soars, and then there are quiet periods. A business line of credit acts as a buffer, allowing you to maintain operations and manage inventory in off-peak seasons without stressing your cash flow. So how does one go about securing a business line of credit? Step 1. Determine your need. Understand why you need a line of credit and how much your business requires. Step 2. Prepare your documents. This typically includes financial statements, tax returns, and a business plan detailing how you will use the funds. Step 3. Apply. Approach a trusted financial institution like Empowerment Funds and submit your application. Step 4. Await approval. This could take a few days or a couple of weeks, so plan accordingly. Step 5. Once approved, you can start drawing from your line of credit as and when needed. Remember, a business line of credit is a revolving fund. You only pay interest on the amount you use, not the entire credit line. This gives your business the flexibility to manage funds efficiently. So why wait for a rainy day or let growth opportunities pass by? Explore a business line of credit with Empowerment Funds today. Our team of experts is ready to guide you through the process, helping your business unlock its potential and reach new heights. Empower your business, fuel your growth. Apply for a business line of credit with Empowerment Funds today.